Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you want to automate invoices in your QuickBooks for your business, then this video is for you. So here's the step-by-step guide along in this video on how to automate invoices in QuickBooks Online. Perfect for saving time and ensuring your clients are billed on schedule. Now, here's the step-by-step. So first thing you have to do is log into your QuickBooks Online. You can go to the quickbooks.intuit.com and sign into your account. So once you have signed into your account, then create a new invoice. For that, you have to do is simply plus new button. Here you can find, click on it, and from the left menu, from here you can find customers, where you can find invoice, select invoice. Once you have selected invoice from here, then you have to choose your customer here. So I'm going to tell you, I have created a sample customer here for this video. So add the customer from here. You can find all the other add invoices at the right side here. Now it will automatically add the customer email. After adding the customer email, you have to add the billing address here. So I'm going to add address for example here. Now the invoice date and the due date from here. Then you have to add the service date. So you have to select the service date here. So like this. And the product you want to sell, like t-shirt here, so you have to add the description and the quantity here. So once you have added quantity, it will show the rate here and the total amount, the payable amount from here. So once you have done it, you have to make it, click on this make recurring at the bottom. You can find make recurring button here. At the bottom you can find it. Simply click on it, and from here set recurring preferences. Like you have to add the template name. So for example, to any template name from here, like test, I'm going to add the test automation, just like this. And here you have to set the type here, or you can add anything like monthly web hosting invoice, or the type here, like you have to choose the schedule here. Then you have to do is interval. You have to add the interval from here, or you can create like this in advance. You can create it if you want to create this invoice in advance, then you can add the date before that intervals here. Then you can add the customer here, then the email address here, then automatically send emails. You can set it to automatically send emails here. Then you can find the interval here. So you can pick how often, or monthly or weekly. Like monthly, I have set it monthly, that on the day or first day of every 1 month. After adding the interval, enter the start date here. So you can add a start date from here, for example today, from today's. Then the end date, set it on or after anything. Now the billing address, you can add the billing address here, checkout, and just like this. If it is continuous, then after adding that, you have to save the template. Simply click on save template. Once you have saved the template, then your invoice automation is now live. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.